The number one question I get from people is, how do I improve my brain? Unfortunately, it's not that simple, you see. I'm always asked if this or that method or certain software could help, and I always answer in the same way. Whatever the claims, there are no scientific proof that it works. If it does work with you, it's probably a placebo effect, and that's actually okay. The important stuff is that you get results, right? Because the truth is that whenever we exercise a certain cognitive skill, we become better at it, but we only become better at the particular exercise, and there is hardly, if any, spillover effect to other even closely related tasks and cognitive skills. So if you do Sudoku, you become better at Sudoku and it won't help you with crossword puzzles or playing chess. If you exercise remembering numbers, you won't become better at remembering letters or names. So no, you won't become smarter or get a better IQ by playing certain brain games on your computer. It's just not gonna happen. Now, keeping that in mind, teaching about the brain for me has always been slightly frustrating because of this, because I wasn't able to help people with their number one requests. How do I improve my brain? Now, last year I got something of a breakthrough. I got the next best thing. Instead of upgrading the hardware, why not reprogram our software? So I got fascinated by neuroplasticity. This ability we all have to rewire our brain, regardless of age, is a true blessing. It means that there is no fatality in life. Wherever we are now, we can change it, we can turn it into something new, something we do desire. We can adapt into a better version of ourselves. But my research has led me further. Turns out neuroplasticity is only half of the story. Say hello to neurogenesis. Sure, I knew already that regardless of age, our brain constantly creates new brain cells. There's nothing shocking about that. But what I didn't know is the huge impact of its rate. I mean, high brain cell creation leads to optimistic, confident, high energy individuals, whilst a low brain cell creation is linked to depression, anxiety, and low energy. And guess what? We are largely in control when it comes to neurogenesis. Depending on our choices, we see a 1 to 5 difference in the creation of new brain cells. That's right. Depending on what we do, we can create up to 5 times more new brain cells. So this course will show you how to combine neurogenesis with neuroplasticity, or in other words, boosting the creation of new brain cells with putting these new cells to a good use. We will go over the 5 pillars of a healthy brain. What are the do's and don'ts? We will specifically look at the different brain killers and brain boosters. This course is packed with the latest research on the matter, but more than theory, this course is about how to implement all this in your daily life. Concrete, actionable recommendations, things you can start doing right away to keep a healthy and youthful brain, which in turn will keep you sharp and strong, filled with energy and lustful life. That's what this course will do for you. See you inside.
Sharpen your mind.